away from your stage. Why you taking this? Please convey. Run away from your stage.
I can't hear. Speak more loudly. Speak more loudly, please. I don't mind. Please raise your voice. It is a democracy. Please raise your voice. I'll listen. I will listen carefully.
Come and ask you questions in Kolkata. Your ministers say we will break your finger.
Yeah, you will break your fingers.
Ministers do.
I don't. This is absolutely you are lying. Brother, you don't do it, brother. Don't do it, brother. Don't do it.
What about
You are shy.
You know the case is sub judice and also it is central government has taken over. It is not with us. This is their habit everywhere. Wherever I go, rest of the people, only 10, 12 people are there. You don't care them. Ignore them. Better is to ignore.
আগে ভাগেই খবর ছিল, হলো তাই। বিদেশের মাটিতে মাটি মানুষের কথা বলতে গিয়ে খানিক তাল কাটলো। মুখ্যমন্ত্রী অবশ্য চালিয়েই ব্যাট করলেন।